Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import your very own text into TinkerCad. It's super easy, it will take you less than 5 minutes. Well, let's get started, shall we? What I want to do first, I'll just show you what TinkerCad text options you have at the moment. So if you just slide the text one, you've got a few font options here. If we search up text, you have a few more options. You've got the curved look, you've got something like this. And then you've also got another option as well. If you look up script, you do have this one here as well. And you have a bit more font options. You've got something like a stencil, but it's still not enough. What I like to do, I go on this website, it's called 1001 Free Fonts, and you can choose any category, have a flick through the fonts, and whichever one you like, what you need to do is download it. And I like this one here, so I press download. And then what we need to do is we need to convert this file. It will download in what's called a TTF, and we need to convert it into a SVG so that TinkerCad can read it. There is this website. I will link all the websites I use in the description. It's called Convertio. And what I like to do is pop that file in there. So it's called chocolate cake, TTF. Open that in, we'll convert it. Whoops, we need to select the file, so SVG. And we go convert. And this shouldn't take long at all. Perfect. Press download, and that will download into your files. And then what we do is we go back to our text. Let me just delete all this. And then what we need to do, again, is look up text. And we need this one here. This one is what we call custom font text. And it allows us to upload our own custom font in that SVG file. So there it is here, chocolate cake SVG. Press open. It will upload, and then you will see your text change. There we are. And then you can change it to whatever you like. So I'm just going to write hello. And you can download as many fonts. Here we are. Perfect. And then I'm able to use that in my design. Well, guys, it's as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching.